Matthew, come on out. Where are you? Matthew, oh, look, you've got your own fan club. And this is your mic, Matthew. And it says on here, B-boxer.
Beatboxing, yeah.
Now, being culturally illiterate,
It's
in case anybody out there is.
it's something that I've developed over the years. I'm going to kind of let you know how I got into this.
And are you a youth pastor or a pastor or something like that?
I'm involved in a church.
I'm involved in something, okay.
I'm involved in a church down in Miami Beach called Elements.
Okay, and you're going to B-box.
Yeah.
All right, it's all yours. Let's give a hand to Matthew for the B-box.
This problem of mine started when I was about 5 years old. I used to play with G.I. Joeman in the corner by myself. Lock and load, boys. Destro and his men are just over the couch. Let's lay mortar rounds. Let's go. Honey, what are you doing in there? Nothing, Mom. As I got older, I started to match these sounds with body movement. All systems nominal. As I got into high school, it all came together.
Okay. Good job. Thank you, sir. Excellent job. Give him a hand. There's Matthew.